Hi, this is Regitze. Should you add more ad sets into your, or more interest groups into your ad set? Often Facebook actually recommends that we combine ad sets and they say that we get a better result then. If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram ads, please give me a like and follow. But let's jump into it. I'm in my own ad account now. And when you start a new ad, then you click create obviously, and you make a new campaign, and then you go to the ad set. I'm in the ad set here, I have an example ad set. So I'll just open that, go down to where we find the interest groups. Here, detailed targeting, and here you can put in different interest groups. So let's say entrepreneur. Make sure it's an interest group here. There's also job title, employment, employers, interest group here. It's here we can see how big it is, 1.1 million to 1.3 million. And then that would be it if we're testing an interest group, if we're testing an ad or so. But sometimes, like I said, Facebook recommends that we combine different ad sets. If we have several ad sets with each one interest group, then they sometimes recommend that we combine them and say that we get a better result. And that is also true in the short term. We may get a little bit better result in the short term, but we're not going to know which interest group performs good, because we're going to get a blended average of all of them that are in the same ad set. So I recommend that you just have one interest group per ad set, because then you can test it out and see which ones work good and which one doesn't, and then turn off the bad ones. Hope it makes sense. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me and my team. There's a link in the description. And also please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.